Here's a new light divider I'm trying out for the Pacmaze. It's a 3D printed part instead of having the individual light divider isolation tubes. There's a little notch that I put in the top, the clear one of the brackets, and it uses these screws which go through about 5/16 of an inch. So set your drill up to put a stopper on it so that it only goes to 1/4 of an inch deep. You're back at the machine. This is the first install for me. Again, there's a little cut in the top of the light divider 3D printed part that clears this bracket. The other one should be far enough away. What you do is kind of center this in there, kind of feel around, make sure it's over all the pieces. Mark your holes with a pencil. And then get out your drill that you just set the depth to 1/4 of an inch. Drill it out. And then we'll put my light divider up. My tools here. And there's the top again. Clear this bracket up here. And screw this in. Much easier than the separate isolation tubes. Already got the isolators in the corners. Connectors back on. That's it.